It's a good late Saturday afternoon. It's 12/12, December the 12th. A happy birthday to Orlando Hudson, also known as the O-Dog. Had a brief stint with the Dodgers, and he hit for the cycle with us back in 2009. Also a happy birthday to Gorman Thomas, who was part of Harvey's Wallbangers, and to Garrett Atkins, and to Sheila Escovedo, one of the Prince proteges and also a percussion player. And a happy birthday, of course, to the late Frank Sinatra, Grover Washington Jr., and to Tony Williams. It's in the low 60s today, and it was 63 yesterday. I think it was like 66 today. A little windy out. Yes, we do get wind in December too. And winter is just a week away. And a little bit later on, it's going to be the rivalry game between the Bruins and the Trojans. Yeah, there's always classic rivals in college football. Yeah, well, of course, you also have Stanford against Cal up north. Of course, Arizona against Arizona State. And the Rams also have division rivals too in football with the Niners and the Seahawks and the Arizona Cardinals. Yeah. Well, in the Lakers, it's usually the Western Conference. We've had rivals against the Sacramento Kings, the Warriors, the Clippers, the Suns, sometimes the Spurs and the Mavs and the Rockets. And of course, Dodgers Angels in the playoffs too. Well, we don't really play too much against our own division in the playoffs like this year, and of course with Arizona and San Diego, we played against them. St. Louis Cardinals in the playoffs, Cubs in the playoffs. The Dodgers, I think, played against every team from the NL Central in the playoffs, I believe.